So to do this, you're going to need a couple of apps. You're going to need to download the PhotoGrid app from the App Store. And you're also going to need to use the Safari app, which comes with your iPhone. First thing you're going to do, go ahead and go to the PhotoGrid app. Then you want to select all of the photos you want. So this is basically a tutorial on how to use this app for the thumbnails. So I'm just giving you all some background information on how to use this app. So I'm going to just try using this photo, and I'm going to use this photo right here, a couple of random screenshots from my phone. So then you want to go to the layout thing. You want to press that, and then you can choose the layout of your two photos. So I'm just gonna choose, and you also want to exit out that logo right there, as I just did. Now you can also crop every photo. You can crop each photo, as I just did, as you can see, and you can also press swap to switch the order of them. So now I'm gonna have them like that, as you can see. And you can also, as you can see, I just press text. You want to make sure that you have the ratio. Press ratio and make sure that is on 16:9. That is the dimensions for all YouTube video thumbnails. So now I just press text, and I'm going to type in verses, as you can see. And you can also choose the font of the text and the color. So I made the text red, and then if you press advanced, you can choose what kind of outline you want for the text. So I'm going to make that white, and you can also give it a bit of a shadow there. So I just gave it a shadow. And you can also enlarge the text by pinching it. So, and you can also just make new text. And let me show you guys something really important. Or let me just type in this random text. This thumbnail really doesn't make any sense. So I just typed in "who will win" with a bit of a different background, and I made the font. I'm going to make this one green. And as you can see, you can press gradient in the bottom right corner for your text to give it that kind of shadow effect, as you can see the text part of it. And you can also add emojis. This is a really key thing for the app. You can add emojis, any iPhone emoji, to your video thumbnail. So I'm just going to find a random trophy emoji. You want to make sure the color of the emoji is white, because if it's not, then it's just going to be some weird color. Some other weird color. It's not going to look right. So you want to make sure the color of your emoji text is white. So then I just press saved in the top right corner, and it just saved to my camera roll. The 16:9 photo YouTube video thumbnail has saved to my camera roll. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply it to your videos in Safari. So I just opened the Safari app. You want to go to youtube.com, obviously, and then you want to make sure the website is in desktop mode, not mobile mode. So I'm going to show you what it probably looks like for you. It's in mobile mode. Then you want to press the three dots in the top right corner, and you press desktop. Very simple. With three dots in the top right corner, you press desktop to switch from mobile to desktop mode. As you can see, it looks like YouTube would look in your on your computer. Then you press Creator Studio. You guys hopefully already know how to do that. And then you want to find a video and press edit from the Creator Studio. So as you can see, this is the video I have. And then you want to press change choose thumbnail if you haven't chosen one already for it, if you're not changing it, and you press the thumbnail you just made. So as you can see, my thumbnail is now loading. This is just like on the computer. If you know how to upload thumbnails from your computer, you should know how to do this from Safari on your phone. So I just press save changes, and now when I go back, it should have, it changed my thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a like for more tutorials.